We miscommunicated what the AI Act is about. Mm-hmm. And we probably made, or those who wrote it, probably made mistakes in not granting wide enough or clear enough exceptions for smaller and medium-sized enterprises. In the sense that a startup that is bootstrapped has it much easier to launch an AI startup outside of the EU than in the EU. And the AI Act is very bad at communicating how a small company can comply or whether they have to comply. Honestly, OpenAI doesn't want to comply with the AI Act because then they would need to work ethically. And ethics is something that many major companies simply don't want to do. It's not that they can't do it. It's simply they might make slightly less money than the obscene amounts that they are currently doing. So we need to drastically, in Europe, cut the red tape for smaller businesses, for startups.